Happy trade. So today, um, we didn't win, but we learned a valuable lesson, which is good. So here's what we had. Um, Draw the state. Right now, we're ignoring this because it's so far. We gotta move up, or wasn't the right color. Didn't take it out. I could see you playing this, but you waited. Last 45 seconds, it evaporated. I saw this as an elephant, and I counted that move as well. So this was a pretty violent bar, in my opinion. And I sold, and then on the color change, I sold more lots. And as soon as I sold my last lot, phew, it went up. And what I tried to do, I should have got out at max loss. I didn't. That was my fault. Um, but I tried to get right back in it, and when I got right back in it, I hit max loss for the day. So that's how that went. Um, I just traded in another account, but we can go over some of the. We can still go over some of the trades. It's still going to be valuable. As you can tell, the real issue with this trade is if you look at the 15-minute, you have Haas. That's a pretty solid barrier. So getting past that's pretty difficult. Had I looked on the 15, probably would have known. Probably would have put my buys in right here and got out, got back in, let it ride, get out. This is a pretty violent bar. Let's sell from here. Add more. Add more. So we sold, add, add, and we might be getting out here shortly. Nope. Move the stop. Get out there. So get out. Note that these two are close. Buy on the ribby. Set to stop. Get out. That's a pretty hard sell. I would probably play that, stop here, get out just because of this level, wait for it to come back. And if we get another sell sign off of this, nope. You might have played this, but keep in mind this and this. So we really would want to break this structure or that structure before we got in. And that's the end of it. So let's go through the other stocks. We got Amazon. Today's the 17th. We could say narrow state. It's away from here. Wrong color. Right color. Tail bar. Set to stop. Get out. Let it ride back. Color change off the 20. Sell. Ride that. That would have been a perfect trade right there. Are we playing it up? I would say play it down. Little late. Play it up. Elephant bar. Stop. Get out. We just held it all the way till it hit the 200. That's a pretty hard sell off of 200. I would sell with a stop. Get out. Through there, you had color change you could have added. You had a color change you could have added. Probably this is the best one, but still, you have this one right here hidden. So you got a lot of room, and then you could have added on here. You got a little bit of piece here. Now, is this a bold move? I would say it's bold move. Stop under it. Let's see what it does. Get out. Violence. So it would have been nice to know where we were on the 5 minute on that one. Let's see. 13, 1348, 1348 right here. So had you seen that, maybe you would have played that off the 20, uh, and you wouldn't have got out right here. Played it all the way down. Looking at multiple time frames is definitely beneficial moving forward. Considering all three is really when you get a trifecta. So I'd play that. Stop it. Add. Get out. I'd play this one. See how this screen bar was in the same vicinity. Play it when it gets past it. Got past it. Get out. Probably should have rode that one. But that was a nice trade. Google. Ooh, look at that. We were looking at this in the morning too. It's just I thought that was too high to play this one, but one, two, three. So in a two position. So it's cool that I ignored it, but I saw it, and that's what hurts because I saw it. I was gonna play it right here. Google's a big one. So we know that this is a flat state. You get a elephant bar, right color. Keep in mind it's in position two. It gets past it, you buy it. Set the stop here. Ride it up. One push, two push, three push. Get out. Let's see. You do have a hard sell here. You could play that. Add to this. Expecting it to fill that. Nope. Well, you're still in it technically, but you might as well get out. I think I played this one. It went against me. Look at this. Sell. Can we get there? Can we get there? Nope. Can we get there? Nope. Buy. Stop. Got there. Always get you. We have a close state. Almost a bull 180. Not gonna play it. I will play that hard sell off a 20. Stop. Get out. 30 cents. Let's go to Intel. That's too messy, as you can tell. It is in a position of power, but after a move like this, you're expecting it to go up. So maybe if it makes a move past that, now that's a pretty hard one, but I'm waiting for it to get past that area. Okay. Maybe sell this one. Stop here. Get out. That would have been a nice trade. Of course, it kept going down on me. And that's where we have to look at the five more than likely. It was this right here. So it still hadn't passed really the 8 or the 20. Buy, write it up. Off the 20. GPM. That's a rough one. We could look at that as a narrow state. At first, it went down. You, it wasn't close to here, so you know you only get one leg. If you consider that the leg got out, you see the reversal right there. You get in, ride it up, put out on the 20. Know that you're going to be in this space, hoping for a breakout. Got your breakout, but then immediately rejected. That's bull 180. Sell, stop here, sell more, let it ride. Hopefully it goes down. Nope, you're out of it. Oh, got me again. Bull 180, let it ride. He'd get out here, comes back, caught, sell, ride that out. Or even better, sell this one, ride that out. Passes here, away from the 8, away from the 20, acts as a magnet, goes right back to it. This could have been a sell off the 20. Keep in mind, off of moves, off of the 200, off of the 20. Those are the best moves. off the 20. Stop. You really could probably stop it here and combine those two bars. Gotcha. Look at that. And that's where you want to look here. It's probably this right here. 13, 50, 52. Yep, right here. So you would have known had you looked at the right. That's why 5 minute gives a little better signals. Off 20, sell. That's a nice one. All day, Friday. Rode it the rest of the day. Then popped up. Off the 20, ride it up. And then we got Uber. That's a nice one. The open. I mean, that's a powerful bar. Off the 20. Even though it's in the support. I don't know what you're looking for in the 1 minute. Narrow state, elephant bar, red bar, ignore, red bar, ignore, red bar, ignore. Get out. Elephant bar. Off a flat 200 and a 20. That's a play. Get out. Let's look over here. So we're going to get back in it going down. Ooh, nope. Maybe. Sell. Nope. Sell. Buy. Got that one. Last stock. Exxon. Here's the open. You got nothing to do here. Nothing. It just looks chaotic. You have a close state. You're waiting for a move. That's a sell. Stop. Might want to get out. You could say that's a buy off the 20, but you have an overhead 200. Killed it. Sell, but keep in mind the move started here, so probably gonna get out here shortly. Get out. Buy. Magnet to the 20. Nope. That's kind of like scalping. You probably want to play the better play would be the Egyptian cotton right here. So it's going up. You know it's going to go down. And in that case, it went way down. That's a buy though. Oh, maybe. Well, that's it. See you tomorrow.